In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement GTD in Notion. Welcome back, and thank you for joining me. In this tutorial, I will guide you through using a ready-made GTD dashboard inside Notion to help you organize tasks, manage projects, and stay focused using the Getting Things Done method. This approach is perfect if you want a structured system without building everything from scratch. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional GTD setup that you can use every day to stay productive and in control. To begin, open your Notion account and make sure you are logged in. Once you are inside your workspace, look at the left sidebar and click on Marketplace. This is where Notion stores templates created to help users get started faster. After the Marketplace opens, move your cursor to the search bar at the top and type GTD Dashboard, then press Enter to view the available templates. From the search results, take a moment to browse and choose a GTD dashboard that matches your personal style and workflow. Each template may look slightly different, but they all follow the core GTD structure. When you find one that works for you, click on the template to open its preview page. This allows you to see how the dashboard is organized before adding it to your workspace. Next, add the template to your Notion account. If you are using multiple workspaces, you will be asked to select the workspace where you want the GTD dashboard to be added. Choose the correct workspace, then wait a few seconds while Notion imports the template. Once it is added, open the GTD dashboard page to start using it. Inside the dashboard, you will see sections such as Inbox, Next Actions, Projects, Waiting For, and Someday, depending on the template you selected. Start by using the Inbox section to capture everything that comes to mind, including tasks, ideas, and notes. This is your collection point where nothing is organized yet, only captured. As you review each item, move it to the appropriate section based on the action needed. You can then customize the dashboard further by renaming sections, adding tags, or editing properties so it fits your exact workflow. Over time, using this dashboard daily will help you review tasks, stay organized, and consistently apply the GTD method inside Notion. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.